what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. Before I get into this, don't forget to subscribe and hit on notifications because there are more videos coming up like this one today. This is part 2 of the Supreme Week 18 unboxing. As you can see, I got the package right here. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all, so yesterday was the last week of Supreme, and I'm thinking whether or not I should put the live cop in, because, I mean, I'll probably put it today, after this video when it comes out, because I'm going to put this video today, and then put the other one tomorrow, but, let's see. Okay, what do we got in here? Another sticker pack, bruh. Okay, look at this sticker pack, y'all. This is literally like crippled. And again, the split sticker. I don't like the split sticker. It's ugly, in my opinion, but wow. So yeah, the sticker pack, it's whatever. Probably gonna sell that because I don't like that. And this is what I've been waiting for right here. The Supreme Pitbull tee. It's really like, the logo is big in person. It's a size small. Since it's for me, I'm going to open it. So, let's see how I can open it without like... We'll open it right here. Hopefully, it doesn't break the whole... Excuse it too. Okay, so... I can't open this with my nails, bro. Okay, I'm gonna be right back when I get this open. Alright, yeah, so I just got it open. As you can see, I used some scissors because it was smart. And this is my size, so obviously I'm gonna be keeping this right off the bat. It looks nice, like the graphic and Supreme. Here and here. It is my size small because I'm super duper tiny. We're gonna open this up. And I can't see, but... Okay, right off the bat, I think this shirt is pretty nice, super cool. Like, the graphic is big. I thought it was going to be smaller, but it's actually a very nice size. In real life, it's really nice. I like the little graphic. As you can see, the like, graffiti look. And then we have the Pitbull, which I think is super nice. And then we have, you know, red. Red's my favorite color. And this is a very nice color. And I'm super glad I have this in my collection. If you guys want to see the tag... Here it is, so y'all can compare it to yours if you buy it, you know, somewhere else. And then I'll show you guys the actual label on the bag, so y'all can compare that too. Y'all can take a screenshot and all that. And man, I'm pretty mad that I got the same sticker in the sticker pack, but that's fine. I'll just sell that sticker pack. But yeah, this is a super nice shirt, and I just wanted to make a quick video on it because it's the part 2 and I want to get other videos out. But let me know if you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on notifications because there are more videos coming out. I have more packages coming in and another video coming right after this one, which is going to be the Supreme 19 live, not live, but cop. Like the cop from week 19. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next video.